Hi, pupils. Good morning. Welcome to English Learning Time with Miss Ting. Today we're going to continue our sessions on the nature around us. Let's see what are any things that you can still remember or you know it's about nature around us. Let's start. The first one, in the nature, what can you see as well? You can see flowers. How to spell flowers? Flowers, flowers. Again, flowers. Flowers, flowers. What are the color for the flowers over here? It's red, yellow, blue, purple, and pink in color. The flowers over here are colorful and beautiful. Okay, can you remember we have learned it before? What is this insect? This insect is called butterfly. It's butterfly. How to spell butterfly? Butterfly, butterfly. What can butterfly do? Fly in the sky. It flies in the sky. Fly. Butterfly. What is this? This is sun. How to spell sun? sun, sun. Very good. Now, what are these? These are trees. How many trees are there? One, two, three, four. Four trees. How to spell trees? Trees, trees. What is this? This is grass. Grass, grass. Where does grass grow? On the land, you can see grass. What are the color for the grass? Green in color. Very good. What is this? What animals is this? Is this a duck? No, it's a swan. It's a swan. How to spell swan? Swan, swan. Okay, swan is almost like a duck, but a swan have a long neck compared to a duck. This is a swan. It's not a duck. Where is this? This is a pond. This is a pond. Pond, pond. In a pond, there are frogs or even ducks and fish live in a pond. 池塘 pond, pond, pond. What insect is this? Bee, bee. What are these? These are plants. plants, plants. 植物。不同的树木在一起，我们可以叫它 plants。plants, plants. Now, let's recall all the things in the nature. The first one, what are these? These are flowers. What are flowers? 花朵 flowers, flowers. What is this? This is a butterfly. How to spell butterfly? butterfly, butterfly. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is a 蝴蝶. Okay, now what is this? Sun, sun, sun. What is sun? 太阳. What is this? Trees, trees. What are trees? 树木. What is this? Grass, grass. 草. What is this? Swan, swan. 鹅 swan. What is this? Pond, pond. What is pond? 池塘. What is this? Bee. B-E-E-B. 蜜蜂. What is this? This is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Okay, 植物. Now, let's read together. This is flowers, butterfly, sun, trees, grass, swan, pond, bee, plants. Now, in the picture, what can you see? This is sun. So the sun rises in the morning. Where can you see sun in the morning? Rises. Rises, what is rises? Rises 是升起。太阳几时升起呢？在早上的时候 in the morning. So the sun rises in the morning. Why do you need suns? Keeps us warm and gives us light. Keep us warm 就是给我们温暖。没有太阳，我们就没有温暖，因为太阳是热的，它可以帮助我们晒衣服这样子，把衣服晒干，这样 keep us warm， 保护我们暖和 ，and give us light， 给我们亮光，这样子我们才看得到东西。Give us light. So it keeps us warm and gives us light. The last one, it makes our day bright. It makes our day bright. 它让我们一整天都亮的 bright. Let's read together. The sun rises in the morning. It keeps us warm and gives us light. It makes our day bright. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe and bye bye.